Okay, somebody fishing last night. And catching. This is a big shark. Alright guys, good morning. Trying fishing again in San Antonio beach side. This is my second catch. Come mama. There. Alright. This is already starting with my friend Talaujaman. Woohoo! Continue natin guys. Morning. Nanya already outside the mouth par. Outside the mouth. See?
Also
The-
when you poop, baby, you
Yeah. Lucky siya. Lucky catch. Guys, so after the making barbecue guys, back to the fishing guys because I don't have fish already guys. Only barbecue and what do you call this one? Hot dog. Oh, back to the fishing. Yan si mama guys. Oh. Alright. Ayan na. This, mayroon tayong huli guys. Oh. Yan guys. Oh. Yan, balik naman tayo sa pagpipising guys. Alright. John Aidan, live on music, shout out. Alright, shout out guys. Oh, may huli na tayo guys. Guys, good morning po RC guys. Look, jackpot na tiyaw guys. Oh, woo. Ha? Pangalawa, 2 times sa trip for RC guys. Enjoy, Mr. Archie. Woohoo. Look at guys. Jackpot guys. Wow, the tiyaw guys. Oh.
sashimi.
Woo, sashimi. Woohoo. Enjoy guys.
Yeah.
Wait. Oh wow. Oh, may blessing ako kay Archie guys. Alright. May tiyaw na ko. Kilawin. Uy, salat guys. Only one shot this. Only the side this one guys. Oh. Best spot to Mr. Archie. Alright. Thanks you bro. Merry Christmas bro. Alright. At least may have already the kilawin. Only one spot guys. Oh. One shot. Yeah, one shot and one through. This is it. Woohoo. Enjoy bro. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Woohoo. Alright. Yes, may as pa guys. Oh. Habang si Archie guys tira ng ano guys, dito naman tayo kasi sa kay mama guys. Oh. Kasi mga sana guys. Oh. Ano? Mama. Ayun guys. Oh. Dito tayo guys. Yan oh. Ito na si Archie guys throwing the net guys. Oh. Kajakpat siya ng tiyaw. Tayo naman, ito naman sa atin guys. Oh. Pang-apat na. Lucky guys. My wife now is already up. He called me today. Kaya mag-enjoy muna ako dito guys. Ka-fishing. Alright, continue natin guys. This is Archie. Continue dun. Alright. Ayun oh. May apat na tayo. Kaya sabay ko yung video ko guys sa barbecue. Okay. Ngayon. Number 6 guys. Kaso lang. It's not a big size. Uy. At least still catching guys. Yan guys oh. Not big size now. Continue na natin guys. Ayun oh. Si Archie doon oh. Continue siya guys oh. Sa lahat na tiyaw already catching. But Papa Jerry still catching to. Enjoy lang. Oh, sit down ka lang sa bucket mo guys. This is my run. On the right side may fisherman too. Right. Alright, good test na tayo guys. Yes so. Another one. Oop. At least ayun, medyo malaki-laki to konti guys. Ayun, malaki-laki to guys. Konti. Yan. Ayun ang huli natin guys. Oh, fresh na fresh guys. Oh. Ito yan. Yan guys. Mamay yan. Marami-rami na yan. Enjoy lang Papa Jerry. After how many days? 4 days na yata guys. No fishing guys. Sikan lang guys. Ayun oh. Wala pa mga 2 sikan siguro. Pagtapon ko lang guys. Throwing my bread. Other bread bite. Sana yung guys. Oh mama. Ang guys oh. Oh. Malaki-laki na sila guys. Balik na. Doon tapos may right side guys, may dalawang fisherman no. Papunta dito guys oh. Kasi alam nila guys na continuous yung huli natin guys eh. This is Papa Joe guys. Enjoy fishing and catching. Right after the barbecue, this is it again. Guys, mukhang malakas to guys. Saan yun? Ito mama. Malakas to guys, isa. Mama. Ayan guys, yung malaki-laki to guys. Yan. Ha? Ganyan-ganyan lang guys, yung dalawa nandun na guys nandun sila sa dulo guys ano natin na, laki natin guys kasi dito sila nag-close na sa akin guys kasi lang kuha, tinawag sila ng trupa na guys kaya doon sila kaya dito lang tayo sa atin na kasi ayaw ni mama guys nga may kasama tayo guys kasi hindi tayo nakakuha nung nandito sila sa akin guys. Ngayon nawala sila bigla nandyan agad guys, wala pa sa 2 minutes sa pag-agis guys, papalatong papadyan guys. 5 days yata guys, 6 days walang fishing tayo. July continuous guys. Merry Christmas guys. Minsan di ko na kinuha ng video guys kasi saan na yun. Ayan guys this little bit bigger guys, another one. Ayan guys yan, ganito lang tayo guys ha. Tingnan nyo naman ang huli natin guys ayun na guys after 6 days yata guys no fishing, basta making tayo barbecue. Yan na attention natin, may fisherman dun sila guys wala pa rin daw kuha guys, natin catching. Continuous lang tayo habang tayo ay nagka-catching. Guys continuous lang tayo guys kahit ka not big size at least mayroon. Napagod na nga sila guys yung fisherman guys pinabayaan na lang nila yung kanyang rod tayo, pero dito tayo continuous lang, it's not big size. Not bad na lang guys, continuous lang, enjoy lang guys. Mukhang medyo malaki-laki mama na to guys ayan guys ang going big ya guys mama guys, malaki na nga guys. Ayan guys yan going big si mama guys kasi na ayan guys not bad na yan guys. Hindi tayo lugi dyan. Alright big size na guys Continuous na tayo guys, 11 na guys. But the problem is guys, honest to goodness guys, I'm short my breed guys. Yeah, see that guy still continues guys, but still there, he's trying to catching, but he don't. I'm sure that he don't catching guys. Only Papa there continues catching guys. Continuous na tayo. Ayan, dumating na fisherman guys. Tayo pauwi na din. Alas 12 na yata, nagugutom na ako guys. La 9:30 o 9:40 tayo nag-starting guys. Ano, doon tayo galing guys Kaya maybe tomorrow again guys. Mag-umpisa naman tayo. Subok naman tayo dito tomorrow. Tapos kahit tayo guys. By the way guys, time to go home. At least mayroon tayo, hindi tayo na zero. Ha? Tungulin natin guys oh. After 6 days nga hindi tayo nag-fishing. Shout out Omar Este with my darling Sacramento, California. And the harvest charts. Happy Sunday. Tomorrow. Yan ang huli natin ngayon sa araw na ito guys. Kaya bukas, I don't know what my schedule guys. Okay. At least mayroon tayo sa araw na ito. Alright. Picturean na natin ito guys. Ayan oh. Not bad yan guys. Ha? Okay. Okay lang.